Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds and genius mathematicians. Now we are going to solve 7th bit in problem 3. When you look at this problem, they have given first term a is equals to 8, nth term 62, sum of the n terms 210. Now using these values, we have to find value of n is nothing but number of terms, value of t is nothing but common difference we need to find using the given values. So let us find first value of n. To find the value of n, we are going to use sum of the n terms formula. What is that? N by 2 of a plus l. Here n we don't know, we are going to find, but we know Sn value, a value, l values. So that is what we are going to substitute. When you transpose this 2 towards left side, you have to multiply with 210. So after multiplication you can write 420. Similarly this side, right side, 8 plus 62 you got 70. Finally after simplification we will get n is equal to 6. It means for the given arithmetic progression we have 6 different terms. It means total there are 6 terms for the given arithmetic progression. Now let us find the value of d. Just now we got the value of n is equal to 6, and in the question they have given nth term value 62. So using these two values, let us find the value of d. See here an is nothing but a6 is equal to 62, and as per the an formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Using that we can write a6 as a plus 5d is equal to 62. Now here a value is 8, d value we don't know, so that is what we are going to find. After substitution of the value of a, we can write as shown here. When you take this 8 towards right side, you can write 62 minus 8 will give you 54. Now 5d is equals to 54, so d is equals to 54 by 5. Finally we got the value of d 54 by 5, and we already got the value of n is equal to 6. So these are the two values which they asked in the question in the beginning. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.